Hi guys, today is Monday, April 6th, 2020, and I figured I'd let you guys know just in case you forgot what type of animal I am. You guys know I'm a cat. Anyways, enough of this silly stuff. So, today I just wanted to start by giving you guys a few reminders of some important things. So one being that when you first log into Google Classroom, please make sure that the first thing you do is watch the morning message, and then you should be commenting what your response is to the question of the day. Remember, that's a way for me to take attendance and check in that you're going on Google Classroom. Another thing that I kind of noticed that I wanted to address was that some people haven't been watching all the videos I've been posting. So things like all the important lessons, the read alouds, everything I post, you guys want to make sure that you're watching all those videos before you just jump into the assignment, because those videos have a lot of information to teach you guys. So please make sure you're watching all the videos that I post. I also noticed that some people have been asking some questions that sometimes they're already answered in the directions on the post. So just keep in mind that watching the video is part of it, but also where you see the post, there's that long paragraph that I write that has a lot of directions in there as well. So make sure you're reading the directions for every post that I write, because sometimes you guys are asking questions that is right there. So don't waste your time with, asking questions that the answer is right there in front of you. Of course, ask questions if you're still confused after watching the video, after reading the directions. I'll be here, of course, but just keep in mind, pay attention to everything that I'm posting. What else? So another thing, some people have still been asking me how to log into certain sites. All the login directions are in classwork. So if you go to classwork, at the very bottom under important information, I uploaded an e-document called login info. That page has all the usernames and passwords that you need for all the sites. So if you want to go on to Epic or Typetastic, whatever it is, the link is there on that page, the username, the password, all the information. So please visit that if you need login information. All right, so a couple of new things that I'm doing with Google Classroom. I'm trying something different to help you guys keep your assignments organized and find them easier. So I made topics by day this week. We're trying this new thing. So I'm going to put the heading as the day that it is, the day that it's assigned. So the topic today would be under April 6th, Monday, April 6th, instead of doing reading, math, writing, because I think it's going to get a lot harder to find the lessons for the day if they're all by subject. So I'm going to try to start doing it by day. So you only have to look at the stuff under that day's topic. So I'm going to do this for each day of the week. And then once the week is over, I'll drag those assignments down into their subject headings so that they're still there. You can still find them and access them if you need to. But I'll put all the newest assignments for the week under the days of the week. So if you have any questions about that, let me know. And also something new that I'm adding to Google Classroom, about maybe once a week, I'm going to start doing some shout outs. So I'll give a shout out to people that I are noticing that maybe they're doing a really great job at something, if they're completing all their assignments, or maybe they're checking in every day. So last week I did a shout out for people who went on Epic that week, because I was impressed to see that they're going on, they're using it like I asked you guys to do. So people I see that are following directions, completing their work, and really impressing me, I like to start doing some shout outs so that you guys see that, like, I see your work, I see your effort, and maybe it'll boost that motivation to keep working hard and not give up. So that's it for new stuff. So let's get into today. So today we're going to start with word study. we're trying something different this week. You will see a PowerPoint in the post, and we're going to just be doing a couple vocabulary words from our new Read Aloud book. So you can go in, read the directions for that. It explains what to do. Use the link that's connected to get to a kid's version of the dictionary so that you can look up the definition and things like that. So that'll be a similar assignment to for Wednesday as well. For reading, we are just going to do read aloud today, so please listen to the read aloud of chapter 4 of The Lightning Thief and answer the questions that are attached. For math, we are doing 10.3, which is, what was it? Other types of lines. So like perpendicular lines, parallel lines, intersecting lines. Please watch the video first, then complete the exit slip, then go on Think Central and do the assignment on there. Optional work, I also assigned some stuff on Freckle, Khan Academy, and Math Games. And for writing, we're actually going to start our informational writing unit today, so that's pretty exciting. Our next unit is kind of like writing your own nonfiction. You get to research about a topic that you want to become, professional at. What is something you really want to study? So it's kind of similar actually to our nonfiction unit. Remember the project we did, the poster boards? So it's kind of similar, but instead of a poster board, you're going to be writing an essay. So today's just kind of starting off by brainstorming some ideas, thinking about maybe what your interests are. What would you want to write a whole essay on? Maybe something that you already know a lot of information on, or something that you really want to research. So you can be thinking about that today. So that's pretty much it for your assignments. If you guys have any questions, you guys have been doing a nice job doing private comments or comments on the post, and definitely ask if you have any questions or confused about anything. And that's about it. So today's question of the day, instead of doing a card, I gave you guys a little hint at what the question of the day is. So the question of the day is, if you could be any animal, what would it be? Or if you think you are an animal, what are you? So I told you guys, I'm a cat. If I could be an animal, you know what I'd be. So what would you be if you could be any animal? All right, so have a great day, guys. I miss you so much. So sad and hard not seeing your little smiling faces every day. I miss you all so much. But I hope that we get to see each other again soon. So have a really great day, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.